Welcome to this 2018 on an 18 plate Volkswagen Transporter T6. It's finished in indium grey and it's got the Camperking Monte Carlo conversion. It's built upon the HIGHLINE specification, so it's on the exterior it's got the 16-inch Volkswagen alloys. On this one we've got the glazed rear tailgate with the washed white rear window. And it has the 2-litre TDI 150 brake horsepower engine with the manual 6-speed gearbox. This one's fitted with the front parking sensors as an option as well, and it has the radar emergency brake system. Covered 31,414 miles, and as mentioned it is the HIGHLINE specification, so you get your automatic lights and wipers, your leather steering wheel and gear gaiter, aircon as standard, steering wheel mounted cruise control, on the interior, as mentioned, it is the Monte Carlo conversion, which includes your grille, and this one's fitted with the diesel heating system as well. The furniture is covered in gloss carbon fibre, grey hardened floor, and it has the small diamond stitching with the red colour contrast. It's got the 12-volt condenser fridge, 2 gas hobs, sink with a water tank on board, a leisure battery also on board as well, as per all of the Camperking conversions. There's also a double passenger pivot seat. It's a 4-berth vehicle, so you've got your 2 berths up there and the 2 more berths down here on the rock and roll bed that is crash tested. It's a 5 seatbelt vehicle as well. So this one's available to see today, so get yourself down to have a look at it.